feel it's awkward.
It's awkward.
This is the semi-annual Father's Day miniature golf excursion, 1 week late because reasons.
Because he's never in the same state for that long.
True.
Not my fault.
We got there eventually. So far, I'm all twos. All twos.
And I'm just
What?
good.
You've had more threes than twos.
Rude. Not true.
No, twos, threes. I win. I'm still winning.
Nah. You're not the boss of me anymore.
The fun thing is we never keep score, and we're both convinced we win.
True. Because
So-
I do win.
No, I win,
No.
but I guess that way nobody loses. What is the point of this?
Father-daughter bonding.
Okay, you have to put your head next to my, there, thank you. Except that. For those of you not paying attention, that was a hole in one. Did you witness?
I did witness.
Hole in
it
one.
was real.
That pretty much means I'm the winner. Two holes in one. Come on. It was a long time coming, but I did it. Yeah.
People wonder where I get my drama side from.
You jealous?